This dance is called Caribbean Calypso. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot. Cross rock, right over left. Recover your weight on the left. Chassé to the right, 1 and 2 count timing steps, side close side. Repeat with the left foot. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight on the right, chassé to the left, side close side. So that section once more then, cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. You're going to shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Quarter, close, quarter. Your 1 and 2 count timing steps. Skate forward on the left, skate forward on the right. So just imagine you've got a pair of roller skates or ice skates on your feet. That's what you're doing to move forward. Add on to that a left shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. So that's section once more then. Rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle. Add on a little weave to the left. So we cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, step the left to the side. As you do that, you're then now going to put on some hip bumps. So you're going to bump to the left, to the left, to the right, to the left. So that section once more then. Weaving to the left, right foot leading. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, bump, left, left, right, left. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, up, left, left, right, left. Now we're going to make 1 1/4 turns to the right. If you don't want to do that 1 1/4 turn, we always say do try and do the turns where possible. But if for whatever reason you're struggling to turn round or it's making you dizzy or you're uncomfortable doing it, then please do take them out. I do give you some alternative steps. So on this particular dance, you're going to make a 1/4 turn to the right. Make that 1/4 turn whether you're turning or not. If you're not turning, walk forward 2 steps from here. Walk left, walk right. If you are turning, it is not a full turn, as we would normally think of in dancing. It is 2 steps, but your first turn will be a 1/4 turn to the right as you step the left to the side. Your next turn will be 3/4 of a turn to the right, so you end up facing the 9 o'clock wall. So whether you've turned or not, bring the feet together, step the right to the side, clap 3 times, flick the right back at the angle, so you're facing almost 7:30. So you're ready then to start the dance again with your cross rock. So it's just a little bit of styling. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough. I will actually be doing the non-turning option when the music is on, but I will call out full turn so you know that's where it is in the dance. So that section once more then. 1/4 turn into that full turn. 7, 8, turn, 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 close, side, clap, 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 flick. So as you are clapping, make sure you put your weight back on that left foot, otherwise you won't be able to flick your right. So that's the end of the dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, bump, left, left, right, left, turn, 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 close, side, clap, 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 flick. So what I will do now is go through the dance with the counts so you can see the timing. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So the claps, 6 and 7, quite fast. So it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, but left, left, right, left, turn, 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 close, side, clap, 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 flick, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, but left, left, right, left, turn, 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 close, side, clap, 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 flick, cross, rock, chassé, cross, rock, chassé, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, but left, left, right, left, turn, 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 close, side, clap, 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 flick. So that's your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Forward rock, half shuffle, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, left, left, right, left, turn, forward, turn, close, side, clap, 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 flip, cross, rock, shuffle, cross, rock, shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, left, right, left, turn, forward, turn, close, side, clap, 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 flip, cross, rock, shuffle, cross, rock, shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, skate, left shuffle, cross, side, behind, side, left, left, right, left, turn, close, turn, close, side,